Let's take a look at the different types of pages that we can create in the page tree. We call these page types. The first and by far most common is the standard page type. If we want to have a page be visible in the front end and have various different types of content on it, we will always use the standard page type to achieve this. Next, we have the Backend User section. Think of this as a restricted area of your website that requires you to log in via the front end to access it. Next, we have the shortcut. A shortcut is just a link to another page in the page tree. A mount point lets you select a page in the page tree, and all of the child pages will be displayed under the mount point. For example, you might have a collection of pages 3 or 4 levels deep, but you want them visible in your main navigation. A mount point is a great way to show those pages in your navigation menu without having to duplicate them. Link to external URL allows you to have a link to an external URL in your page tree. Next, we have the folder. Folders act as a container for various items that are not pages or content elements. For example, if you're using the news or blog extensions, you will create a dedicated folder to store your news and blog posts. In my example, I have a folder set up to store my front-end users. Finally, we have the menu separator. This allows you to create a visual divider in your menu. For my site, this isn't really required because I don't have that many pages. But if you can think of a large corporate website, for example, with several hundred pages, a visual separator becomes very handy quite quickly. And that's all the different types of pages we can create in the page tree using TYPO3 version 13.